In this video, let us cover data types. Iceberg to Snowflake type mapping. Snowflake supports most Iceberg data types and writes them to table files for cross-region interoperability. Approximate types are used when there is no exact match. If you take a close look at it, in the three columns listed here, the first column has Iceberg type, the second column has Snowflake type, and in the third column, more on the nodes. Majority of the columns has an exact match. For example, boolean, string, date, time. But there are some data types such as int and long. They are described as number of a precision in Snowflake. The caveat here is Snowflake can accept a larger range, but because the range of int and long is limited in Iceberg, Snowflake throws an error if it is an out of bound range comparing with Iceberg type. If you are inserting or updating data which is longer than the Iceberg supported range, Snowflake throws an error. Similarly, on the float and double, Snowflake cannot create a primary key because Iceberg doesn't support it. There are also few places such as decimal where although Snowflake can support longer number, because of the Iceberg limitation, it can match up to a precision of 38. When it comes to timestamps, currently Snowflake supports microsecond precision, but Iceberg has the ability to support the nanoseconds in V3. Given the Snowflake's current version is V2, it could support until microseconds, but in its future releases, when Snowflake starts supporting V3, they would also support nanoseconds. There are data types in Iceberg. The equivalent data type in Snowflake: for list, it is array. For map, it is object or map. For the struct, it is object. These are more about data types in Snowflake in comparison with Iceberg. I also want to just explain some limitations of Iceberg tables in Snowflake. Snowflake data types not supported in Iceberg tables are vector, file, variant. Vector is not supported. It is widely used for AML embeddings. File is not supported. It is widely used for unstructured file references. Variant is a very popular Snowflake data type for semi-structured data, but Iceberg until V2 version, it is not supported. It starts supporting from V3. These are some of the limitations of Iceberg tables in Snowflake. There are some features from Iceberg side that are not supported are row level equality delete, in place version upgrades from V2 to V3 via Snowflake, unsigned integer types in Parquet, float 16 in Parquet, interval data type in Parquet, decimal with precision greater than 38 in Parquet, list map with 1 level or 2 level Parquet representation is not supported in Snowflake. There are also table level limitations. Only the permanent tables, no transient or temporary Iceberg tables. Undrop Iceberg table is not supported. Sharing via listing is not supported.